Hello, good afternoon, followers of Christ. So it's me, Brother Drex. Hallelujah. So we are now here at Sarasa, and we are just visiting some relatives. Hallelujah. So nagbisita nga po kami sa aming lola na nagkakaedad ng 91 years old. So by the grace of God, because of the power of God and the sustenance of God, hallelujah. So ang tao pala ay pwede pang mabuhay sa loob ng 91 years. So I am with my auntie, the mother, the sister of my mother. Hallelujah. So we are just walking now, and patuloy pa na ipahayag ang salita ng Diyos, hallelujah, sa bawat taong nangangailangan ng kanyang salita. And we are very inspired. Medyo malayo yung nilakaran namin, pero absolutely God is faithful. His word does not go back to His own. Hallelujah. Jesus will do something great and great as we walk. Mapagod pero worth it yung lakad.